I-label nyo lang under yan ng good governance program. You want me to repeat the question, ma'am, or you can answer now?
Durag duhaman ka buka ang question na to, Your Honor.
Accomplishment report this time. Yung kanina po, nag-guess nyo na, liquidation report. Ngayon yung tanong is, sa accomplishment report naman, pareho lang. Kahit anong activity, isasama sa accomplishment report, so long as isusulat under good governance program. Tama
Counsel,
po ba?
can you confront the witness with the accomplishment report? Assisting counsel, can you show her the accomplishment report? Para maunawaan ng
Opo, opo.
testigo na ibang dokumento na ang pinag-uusapan natin. Kanina yung physical and financial plan, ngayon naman yung accomplishment report.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Kaduhami naghimo og accomplishment report, Your Honor, for 2022.
Yes, ma'am.
Kung dalawang beses po kayo gumawa ng accomplishment report, Ma'am Gina?
Opo, Your Honor.
Alin po yan? Yung nauna o yung sumunod?
Ang kaning gihatag sa ako, Your Honor, mao ni ang una nga gihimo, Your Honor.
Yung unang accomplishment report. Meron ba kayong kopya ng pangalawang accomplishment report, Attorney Ligutan?
Okay. Anyways, we can leave with one report.
Okay.
For this point, Your Honor, please.
Okay, for
I
this
think I'll
point.
ask the direct question na lang.
Sige, Your Honor.
Madam Witness, kinukumpirma mo na may mga activities sa report nyo, sa liquidation, sa accomplishment report na nabasa nyo, na hindi makikita, mababasa sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, paghimo na
Ma'am, this time po, I hope you don't mind po. Yung question is simple, no? So, pwede kang tanungin ng abogado ng kabila, pero pakisagot lang po muna.
The witness is
Yes or no?
answering, Your Honor.
Yo-
Let the witness answer.
Allow the witness to answer,
Okay.
counsel.
Yes. May
As
mga activities, programa, kalihukan in Bisaya, reflected in the report, accomplishment report, na hindi naman mababasa, makikita, nailista sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
libog. Nalito ako, Your Honor.
Nandito ka. Anyways, Your Honor,
Ma'am, may mga nilagay po kayong accomplishment report na wala dun sa physical and financial plan. Na sinabi nyo lamang o tinisip nyo lang kasama yan sa good governance program.
Ang nasulat sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, is yung mga expenses na allowable po sa confidential funds.
Opo, pero wala nga po yan, hindi yan nilagay doon sa physical and financial plan. Nakalagay lang po sa accomplishment report.
Sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, kung actual.
Kaya nga, doon nga lang po nakasulat. Sa physical and financial plan, wala po doon.
Generic po ang sa
Generic.
physical financial
Okay.
plan, Your Honor.